The ARCHway Institute for Addictive Diseases and Coexisting Mental Health Disorders, a national nonprofit, has announced a significant milestone in its mission to champion families and individuals grappling with drug and alcohol addiction disease. The Institute is pleased to award a $5,000 grant to Hope Meadows Foundation, a local organization in the greater Cleveland area that provides equine assisted psychotherapy, which is mental health counseling that features interactions with horses.
At ARCHway, we are advocates for individuals and family members who are struggling with substance use and co-occurring mental health disorders. We connect people to the treatment and recovery resources that they need in order to be successful, whether that is treatment, recovery housing, recovery community support services, peer services, counseling services, you name it. So if you are struggling with a substance use disorder or you have a family member who is struggling, you can reach out to ARCHway for that support. We also provide grants and scholarships in order to increase access to those treatment and recovery resources. So if an individual reaches out to ARCHway and they need $500 to get them through the doors of a recovery home, ARCHway can help support. In addition, we provide grants to our brother and sister organizations like Hope Meadows, who are doing wonderful work in the recovery space.
There's a strong correlation between an individual grappling with a substance use disorder and concurrently facing a coexisting mental health disorder. Hope Meadows is dedicated to utilizing equine assisted psychotherapy, offering an experiential avenue through which individuals can recognize and confront a spectrum of emotional and behavioral challenges. Through this approach, they can acquire healthy and appropriate skills to navigate and overcome these challenges. Horses, with their expansive capacity for metaphorical learning, prove to be a highly effective technique, particularly when working with even the most resistant individuals or groups. The generous support from organizations like ARCHway Institute is greatly valued and essential for us to persist in delivering mental health treatment options to all those in need of assistance.
There are so many paths and different barriers for families and individuals to recovery, and it's great when you see organizations working together to help support these families and individuals
ARCHway
on
was
their
created
journey.
in 2013 with the hope that our board, staff, and volunteers would all be advocates for families and individuals who need our help to find the resources and information to start a journey of recovery. We are proud to support the Hope Meadows Foundation in their efforts to provide professional mental health options to help individuals not only to start a journey of recovery, but also find the tools to thrive.
We know that 1 in 3 families is struggling with substance use disorder, and unfortunately only about 20% of the individuals who need it get the help that they need, and a lot of times that's because of stigma. And so ARCHway is here to support you in that process. If you or a loved one is struggling with a substance use disorder this holiday season, please do not hesitate to reach out. One of our advocates for Hope will get in contact with you, let you know that you're not alone, and then connect you to the resources that you need.